Hello there, this is Samyak Jain from MBM Engineering College, Jodhpur. This is my Python project, which I am going to show you. Uh, the name of my project is Restaurant Bill Calculator as well as Invoice Generator, and it will also analyze our data which we feed. So these are the pages, these are the piece of code which I have written, and this will perform our task what you have to do, as well as it will be updated in our databases. And we can also change the price of the items which we have. We can analyze our data. So let's start by logging in. So this is our first page of login where we can log in. First of all, let us write our name, username and password. If let us suppose we have written the wrong password and we click enter, so it will show an error message that you have entered the wrong password or username, so we have to correct it. So all the screen will be cleared. After that you have to write it once again. So right, let's log in correctly. Okay, enter. Login successful. So let's enter to the main window. Here we can generate the bill. We can also change the prices of the items which we have, or we can log out. So let's first go to bill generation. Let's click here. Here the new GUI named bill generator has been opened. We can see here we don't have any database of date 31/7 31 July 2021. Here it is not available. So what we have to do is we have to create the database first. So let's create. We can see the screen pop up, then said create database successfully. Okay, here database is created. है ना? We can see the database contains the name, gender, and our items name, quantity, GST. So let's move to our project and let's feed the data into the entry fields. Let's suppose our name of the purchaser is Samyak, his gender is male, he purchased two samosas, three mirchi vadas, and 1200 grams of jalebi. So let's calculate. So the total units purchased by Samyak is 6, price is 300 rupees, GST is 54 rupees, and net price will be 354 rupees. So let's generate invoice. We can see here we don't have invoice of Samyak here. As we click on the generate invoice, the invoice will be generated. We can see here a pop-up message which says the invoice generated with quantities is 6. Okay, so let's see the invoice first. So this is the invoice. What the invoice contains is the name, Samyak Group of Restaurants, the name, date, time, name, quantity, items, total quantity, price, GST, and the net price which user will pay, which our buyer will pay rather. So we can also reset it, the data which is fed in it. So let's reset. What if we have clicked calculate? If we don't have any entry fields written, then we click calculate. So it says that the name field is mandatory, so we have to write something in name and then we can calculate the bill. And then what if we create generate invoice? So it says if every field is empty, it says the name field is mandatory. So first of all we have to fill the name. Okay, what if the database is created already? So what if we click the create database? If we click database, then it says don't try to overwrite the database, because if we overwrite, the previous data will be lost. So there must be coding there so that our database should not be overwritten. Okay, so let's see our database first, what the database contains. First of all, it contains these names, and then it also contains the data which we have entered from here. We can also see it in Excel file as it is a CSV file, so we can see it in an Excel in a better view. So this is our data